Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about coplanarity of two lines in vector form and in Cartesian form. First we discuss coplanar vectors. Three or more vectors which lie in the same plane or are parallel to the same plane are called coplanar vectors. As two parallel or intersecting lines are always coplanar, it follows that two vectors are always coplanar. Now we will discuss about coplanarity of two lines in vector form. Let the given lines be vector r equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2. The line vector r equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 passes through the point A whose position vector is a1 and is parallel to vector b1. The line vector r equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2 passes through the point B whose position vector is a2 and is parallel to the vector b2. Thus, vector AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A, and this is equal to vector A2 minus vector A1. Dear students, the given lines are coplanar if and only if vector AB, vector B1 and vector B2 are coplanar. That is, if vector AB is perpendicular to vector b1 cross vector b2, and this is implies that vector ab dot vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to 0, or vector a2 minus vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to 0, which is required condition of coplanarity of the given lines. Now we will discuss Cartesian form. Let x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 be the coordinates of the points A and B respectively. Let a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 be the direction ratios of vector b1 and vector b2 respectively. Then vector ab is equal to position vector of b minus position vector of a, and this is equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap minus x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and this is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Vector b1 equal to a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap, and vector b2 equal to a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. Dear students, the given lines are coplanar if vector AB dot vector B1 cross vector B2 equal to 0. In Cartesian form, it can be expressed as determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, this is equal to 0. Dear students, already we know according to scalar triple product, that is vector A dot vector B cross vector C equal to determinant a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. So using this concept here, vector AB dot vector b1 cross vector b2, this is equal to 0, can be expressed in determinant form as determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 equal to 0. Example 1. So that the lines vector r equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda into 3I cap minus j cap and vector r equal to 4I cap minus k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus 3k cap are coplanar. Also find the plane containing these two lines. To find the solution, here we have if we compare vector r equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1, we get vector a1 equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap and vector b1 equal to here 3I cap minus j cap. Similarly, vector r equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2, and if we compare here, we get a2 vector a2 is equal to 4I cap minus k cap and vector b2 equal to here 2I cap plus 3k cap. Comparing with vector r equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2 here. Therefore, vector b1 cross vector b2, already we know this can be expressed in determinant as I cap, j cap, k cap, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and the value of this determinant equal to minus 3I cap, minus 9j cap plus 2k cap. Now, vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap here, vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2 here, minus 3I cap minus 9j cap plus 2k cap, and the value of this equal to minus 14. Similarly, the value of vector a2 dot vector b1 cross vector b2, and this is also equal to minus 14. Therefore, we can see from these two, that is vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to vector a2 dot vector b1 cross vector b2. So the given lines are coplanar. The equation of the plane containing the given lines is vector r dot vector b1 cross vector b2, and this is equal to here vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2. That is, here this can be written as vector r minus vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2, and this is equal to 0. And this is implies that vector r dot vector b1 cross vector b equal to here this vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2, and the value of this here we get minus 14. So we get here minus 14. And this is implies that vector r dot here vector b1 cross vector b2, we get this here. So we write vector r dot minus 3i cap plus 9j cap here. This is minus 9j cap plus 2k cap equal to minus 14. Here minus 9j cap. Since vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to minus 3i cap minus 9j cap plus 2k cap here, therefore vector r dot vector r dot 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 2k cap equal to 14. Here if we divide by minus 1 on both sides, here we get vector r dot 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 2k cap equal to 14. Or if we take here minus as a common, so we get here vector r dot 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 2k cap, and this is equal to minus and minus will be cancelled. So we get here this vector r dot 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 2k cap equal to 14. Example 2, show that lines x plus 3 by minus 3 equal to y minus 1 by 1 equal to z minus 5 by 5 and x plus 1 by minus 1 equal to y minus 2 by 2 equal to z minus 5 by 5 are coplanar. Dear students, here we have x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, z1 is equal to 5, a1 is equal to minus 3, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2, z2 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to minus 1, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to 5. That is, if we compare with x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c, we get here these values. Now consider the determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Here x2 minus x1, so we get what? 2. y2 minus y1 1, z2 minus z1 0, a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1 minus 3 1 5, a2 b2 c2 minus 1 2 5, and we solve this determinant, we get the value, this is equal to 0. Therefore we can say that lines are coplanar. Thank you.